Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon. Guys, there's a ton of confusion about cashing out from this app, so let's break it down clearly and figure out if you can actually get real money. Let's get right into it. Fire up the Crypto Miner Tycoon app on your phone. It's that game where you build a virtual crypto mining empire. From the main screen, you might spot a plus icon at the bottom. Tap it, and you'll see an exchange option pop up. A lot of players mistake this for a withdrawal button, thinking they can cash out to their bank or PayPal. But hold up, this is just for swapping in-game money to virtual crypto, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to keep playing. If you poke around more, you'll find tabs like Investors or Portfolio, but none of these let you pull out real cash. It's easy to feel tricked when you don't see a clear withdrawal path. So is it a scam? Thoughtful, not simple. Crypto Miner Tycoon, as confirmed by sites like eagleearner.com, is a simulation game meant for fun, not real-world payouts. You earn virtual currency to upgrade rigs and grow your in-game empire, but it stays in the app. The game doesn't advertise real cash withdrawals, so it's not deceptive. It's just not a money-making tool. Unique tip: to get the most out of the game, check the daily tasks section and complete quick missions, like upgrading a mining rig, to boost your virtual earnings fast. This keeps the game engaging. If you see payment prompts, they're for in-app purchases, not cash outs, so double-check before spending. If you're chasing real crypto or cash, you'll need a different platform. But Crypto Miner Tycoon's all about entertainment. Drop questions about the game, drop them in the comments.